Hello everyone. Today I want to share you a small story of this book, German Job Communication Kit, and how this book changed my life. I completed B2 TELC some years ago, and I have been applying for consulting jobs in Germany. And most of the time I was getting rejection because my German was not uh, as good as they want. So I started uh, thinking, what should I do? So instead of applying too many applications, I thought that let's read some books. And I am not an avid book reader, so I started reading mini books or articles. Luckily, I found this book from this Gumroad platform. Name of this book is Job Communication Kit. So I read this book. I started practicing email templates, phone meetings, how to CV stuff, and I personally have an IT background. This book is really very good book for me. Like I would say, it's one of the best book for job applications I ever read in my whole life. Okay. And it is only 21 pages. I'll show you. Yeah, 21 pages. So in this book, um, uh, I learned many techniques to write good emails, and by learning good emails, I also develop good speaking skills. How to speak in phone interview, how to participate in German meetings, and how to write formal emails. So this book helped me a lot in getting a job. And if anyone is interested to work in IT consulting firm, then one can could consider purchasing this book and uh, help yourself to change your life. That's all I want to say. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. And I wish you a very nice day.